Did you know that after age 60, your kidneys naturally lose some of their filtering power? High creatinine levels can be a red flag, but here is the good news. Your everyday diet can play a big role in supporting kidney health. Today, I will share with you the top 5 vegetables scientifically shown to help lower creatinine and protect your kidneys, naturally and effectively. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not your doctor, and nothing here should replace professional medical advice. If you are dealing with kidney disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure, always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet. Creatinine is a waste product that comes from your muscles. Normally, healthy kidneys filter it out, but as we age, this process slows down. High creatinine levels may signal reduced kidney function. So, how do vegetables help? Certain vegetables are rich in antioxidants, low in potassium and sodium, and can reduce the workload on kidneys. Let us explore the top 5. The first vegetable is cucumber. Cucumber is made of 95% water, making it incredibly hydrating. It acts as a natural diuretic, encouraging urine production and flushing toxins out of the body. It is also rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the kidneys. You can add cucumber slices to your salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy cucumber water. Just make sure you wash them well before eating. The second vegetable is cauliflower. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly powerhouse because it is low in potassium but high in vitamin C and fiber. It contains compounds that help reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. Cauliflower also works well as a substitute for starchy foods like potatoes, which are harder on kidney health. Try it steamed, roasted, or mashed as a healthy side dish. The third vegetable is bitter gourd. This vegetable may not be the sweetest, but it is incredibly powerful. Bitter gourd helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial since diabetes is one of the main causes of kidney damage. It has also been shown in traditional medicine to help reduce urea and creatinine by improving metabolism. You can stir-fry it, boil it into soups, or even drink it as juice. But be cautious, as it is very potent. If you are on medication, consult your doctor before using it regularly. The fourth vegetable is red bell peppers. These are among the best vegetables for kidney health. They are low in potassium, yet packed with vitamins A, C, B6, and folic acid. They also contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects against kidney aging and oxidative stress. Red bell peppers are versatile. You can roast them, toss them into salads, or stuff them for a tasty and colorful meal. The fifth vegetable is spinach. Spinach is a bit of a controversial one, but when used correctly, it can be very beneficial. It is rich in antioxidants, iron, and magnesium, which help fight anemia, a common problem in people with kidney disease. However, spinach also contains oxalates, so it should be eaten in moderation. Lightly boiling it and draining the water can make it safer. Try adding spinach to smoothies or soups for a nutritious boost. Beyond these 5 vegetables, remember that lifestyle choices matter too. Drink enough, but not excessive water. Avoid too much salt, processed foods, and red meat. Pair these kidney-friendly vegetables with whole grains and lean proteins. And most importantly, monitor your lab results regularly after age 60. Your kidneys may be small, but they are mighty. With the right diet, even after 60, you can give them the care they deserve. Start adding these 5 vegetables to your plate today, and your kidneys will thank you. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.